Hello everyone, and welcome to the Python for Data Science and Machine Learning Bootcamp. My name is Jose Portilla, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I've taught tens of thousands of students on Udemy about Python and data science, and I'm so excited to teach you about all these topics in my brand new course. Data scientist has been ranked the #1 job by Glassdoor, and is an excellent career path providing not just great salary potential, but the opportunity to work on some of the world's most interesting problems. In this course, we'll be covering the most popular Python data science libraries, including NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, Seaborn, scikit-learn, Matplotlib, Plotly, PySpark for big data, deep learning libraries, and much more. Don't worry if you don't know all these library names yet. By the end of the course, you'll feel very comfortable putting these technologies on your resume. Let's go ahead and take a quick look inside the course to see all the content. We'll start off with a crash course in Python. This course is designed for students with some programming experience, but we'll make sure to refresh your memory on important syntax and topics before we get started with the data analysis material of the course. Then we'll switch gears and start learning about NumPy, a scientific computing library for Python that's going to allow us to work with data arrays in Python. Then we'll continue our understanding by learning about Pandas, a fantastic data analysis library that allows us to read and manipulate data from multiple sources, including CSV files, Excel workbooks, HTML web pages for web scraping, SQL databases, and much more. All along the way, you'll have exercise notebooks to practice your new skills. You'll be given real-world data sets and questions to answer about them. After every exercise, we also have a full solution walkthrough of the exercise questions. Then we'll begin discussing basic data visualization by learning about the Matplotlib library. Then later on, we'll create beautiful statistical plots with the Seaborn library. We'll also cover interactive plotting techniques, so you can share your work in a way that's interactive for your users. We'll also cover how to interactively plot financial information. We'll even cover geographical plotting techniques. After that, we'll reach the second half of the course, where we will use scikit-learn in Python to implement machine learning algorithms, including topics such as linear regression, logistic regression, several classification techniques, such as decision trees and random forests, unsupervised clustering algorithms, natural language processing, and much more. After all of that, you'll begin to learn how to work with big data using the latest Spark technologies of Python on Amazon Web Services. We'll even cover the basics of using the newest deep learning libraries. Every single section ends with a full exercise and a solution walkthrough of the exercise questions. We also have capstone projects and over a dozen fully implemented machine learning portfolio projects. This course consists of over 100 HD video lectures with fully written out code notebooks for reference, so you can learn in whatever way works best for you. Not only do you get access to some of the best data science educational content on the web, but you'll get access to our online community Q&A forums, where thousands of students and I are happy to help you out and answer any questions you may have. After completing this course, you'll also receive a certificate of completion that you can post to your LinkedIn profile. All of this comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're unsatisfied for any reason, you can get your money back, no questions asked. So what are you waiting for? Jumpstart a career path in data science and enroll today. I'll see you inside the course.